Welcome to this explainer, where we're going to completely transform your agency's operational reality. If you run or manage a digital agency, you already know the drill. Sometimes managing day-to-day operations feels exactly like trying to run a marathon in quicksand, right? Well, today, we're unpacking how to actually fix that by diving into the white-label WordPress development model pioneered by Viral Chili. Okay, let's be real for a second. What is actually draining your agency's capacity? Is it those glamorous, massive website pitches and huge project deliverables? Or is it the completely unglamorous daily friction of broken plugins, ad hoc client requests, and endless internal back and forth? The actual battleground is wild because on one side, you've got the headline projects, the big website builds and new capabilities we all absolutely love to show off. But on the flip side, you have the daily operational reality. And the hidden truth here is that this routine, day-to-day friction steals way more of your team's productive energy than those giant headline deliverables ever do. So, how do we systematically dismantle that friction? We're going to break this transformation down into 5 key areas today: uncovering the hidden agency drain, fixing support and maintenance, cutting internal management overhead, streamlining client communications, and lastly, looking at the compound time savings. Let's get right into it. Starting with area number 1, the hidden drain. These are your ultimate agency capacity killers. Just think about these daily tasks dragging your team down. You're responding to tech support, updating active sites, estimating new dev requests, wrangling freelancers, doing QA, the list goes on. The real magic of the white label model is that a dependable partner like Viral Chili literally absorbs these tasks. They take them entirely off your plate so your internal team can actually focus on the strategic, creative work that sets your agency apart in the marketplace. Which brings us to area number 2, fixing support and maintenance, because we really need to solve this daily grind. Without a structured partner, you know exactly what happens. You're stuck in a constant state of reactive internal panic. Your best developers get pulled off those lucrative builds just to fix a broken child theme or troubleshoot a plugin update, right? It's a nightmare. But Viral Chili provides a scheduled, proactive workflow. They handle updates systematically, testing and verifying on a defined cadence, which completely removes emergency management from your daily radar. Now, you might logically be wondering, does using white label development for support mean my clients have to talk to some random different support team? No way. Absolutely not. Your agency team still handles all direct communication. You own the relationship 100%. The white label partner quietly provides the technical fix entirely behind the scenes, so your clients just experience incredibly fast, expert support directly from you. All right, moving to area number 3, cutting internal management overhead. This is all about eliminating that painful internal friction. Take scoping new projects, for example. Usually that means days of internal back and forth. But when a client requests a new feature now, Viral Chili gives you immediate access to specialist developers who assess the effort and literally compress the entire estimation process into just hours. Your account teams get the accurate information they need instantly instead of desperately trying to manage client expectations while estimates drag on and on. And let's talk about sourcing talent. Playing freelancer roulette often means dealing with unpredictable communication, completely varying quality, and endless repetitive briefing. Partnering with a dedicated white label team like Viral Chili replaces that massive management headache with a deeply structured, consistent relationship. You get reliable standards and processes every single time. Now, I want you to really pay attention to this number: 78%. According to the source data, 78% of post-launch client issues that require your agency to step in involve quality failures that a structured pre-delivery review would have caught. That is a massive amount of completely avoidable friction. So how do we eliminate that 78%? By relying on systematic pre-delivery quality checks. When a partner like Viral Chili does their own comprehensive QA before even submitting the work to you, your internal dev burden shrinks drastically. You go from having to do deep dive quality assurance to just a quick final confirmation review. It's a total game changer. This structure also beautifully solves that classic creative versus development divide. Instead of misaligned assumptions, where developers make silent, incorrect guesses about a design, a solid partner operates with clear, independent implementation. They surface technical questions early, document their decisions clearly, and massively reduce that daily operational friction between your teams. Let's move to area 4, streamlining client communications. Your account managers are going to absolutely love this one. Think about a typical Tuesday. Instead of account managers chasing down swamped developers and struggling to translate opaque tech jargon into English for the client, the whole workflow flips. Your AMs receive structured progress reports, milestone summaries, and pre-delivery updates in plain, client-ready language. So if you're asking, can this actually reduce the time my account managers spend on dev-related communication? The answer is yes, significantly, because their role shifts brilliantly from extracting and translating technical data to simply reviewing and confidently presenting it. It is so much faster, and honestly, it produces much more confident client communication. Finally, area number 5, the compound time savings. Let's look at the big picture. The ultimate result of all this, we're covering several hours per day across your entire agency team. This isn't just one dramatic overnight change. It's the cumulative effect of dozens of daily tasks taking just a little less time and generating a little less friction. Agencies report that this structure quite literally saves them hours of productive capacity every single day. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on. What could your agency achieve if you completely eliminated that daily operational grind? How much faster could you scale? How much better would your client relationships be if your absolute best talent wasn't drowning in routine tasks? By leveraging a partner like Viral Chili, that reality isn't just a pipe dream. It's entirely possible. Thanks for diving into this explainer with me today. Here is to reclaiming your agency's most valuable asset, time.